Good morning, guys. Greg, welcome to Buckeye Freight Railing. Down here in Fairfield, Ohio, new location. Adventures with Joey Boats told me about it, so came down here to check it out. So, very foggy morning, as you can see. That is the Newcastle sub. If you ever watch some videos from Hamilton, you see them make that sharp left-hand turn. This is where they come through here. So, want to check it out? Tell me if you like it. And let's get a train. Haven't heard one yet, but we'll see if we can get one here soon. Thanks for watching. All right, we got a train coming. It's either going to be Norfolk Southern or CSX, and it is Norfolk Southern with UP in the lead. Union Pacific, how about that? Bound to have an EPU on here. Yeah. Got another Union Pacific. That's cool. All right, that's very cool. I like this sweeping curve right here. I like the UPs on the front and in the mid. I like this spot. Just hope we get a lot of traffic. Adventures with Joey Boats is up there. He's the one that told me about this spot. There's a lake down that way. Pretty cool. Bring my fishing pole here next time. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Gates are coming down. I think we got some more business here. I see headlights down there coming around the corner. All right, folks, that was a loaded grain train. Eastbound on the Newcastle sub. Headed down to Laughlin and then into Cincinnati. All right, guys, I'm not gonna say I won't get any symbols of trains and know where they're going, but it's just difficult here because you got Hamilton up the road here, and that's the last place I pick them up, and they're a Z train then, so what they are when they get here, excuse me, on their own track, I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna try. All right, thanks for watching. All right, guys, 3.5 hours later, we finally got another train. Is it NS or CSX? We're about to find out. CSX. It's our first CSX of the day. He was short, but still a good manifest. Am not sure of the symbol. It's just hard to pick them up here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. 10 minutes later, we got another one. Hot dog. Norfolk Southern coming at you. Another short one. Man, we keep getting these short trains. Oh well, hey, it's a train. I like this spot, but there's just not a lot of traffic on it. All right, guys. We'll wait for another one. Oh, by the way, may move up to Hamilton about 10 minutes from here because we got the M559 coming down at some point today. I don't know where he is exactly, but supposedly he has some tanks on there, and I want to get that. And Hamilton would be the best place because I don't know if he's going to go straight through Hamilton or make the turn down this way. All right, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, I'm already home, but I wanted to let you know that we only got 4 trains. Spent 7 hours there, and that's what happens sometimes. But so it'll be a short video. Also, the tank train never showed up. I don't know if he dropped his goods off somewhere else or what, but we never did see him. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks a lot, man.